guys, today I'm alone, but it's not gonna stop me from making videos. By the way, guys, I'm gonna quickly turn off this music. But here we go. Do. Sorry, but the music might be too loud. Yeah. Wait. Let me just turn it down. Okay, guys, now you can hear me. I am alone, but that is not gonna stop me. Sorry, I was talking in baby language because I'm doing this thing. Yeah. Stop. Yeah. Yeah, sorry about this. Oh god. I'm looking too close to this screen. Oh my god, this is so cool. Thank you for making this. This is like the best game in the world. Literally. By the way, guys, if you want to join it, it is called, I don't know, really. I will invite all my friends later so they know what it is. Yeah. So yeah, I don't think anyone's found my account yet. Is it just me? Or YOLO? Time to go. I'm Peppa Pig. Okay. Thank you. Now let me win. Where did I didn't even come out. I love how the one in the middle is dancing. Don't know one else. Okay, guys, we got this. We got this. We're going in the lead, and we're off. We're getting there. We're so close. I don't even know where the checkpoint is. So yeah, everyone's catching up. Gotta go quick. But where is it? Gotta go. Gotta go before she gets to it. We need to win. Now, where is this? Oh, it's over there. I'm coming to get you. Don't worry. We don't need them to win. Only if they're a part of my YouTube channel, they can win. They're not. So sorry. Okay, this is gonna be hard. Oh no, guys. I died. Why did that happen? I'm gonna end it here. I know it's been 5 minutes, but I gotta go now. So bye.